Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily add more tasks in your ClickUp projects. So as you can see, first thing we have to do, we have to log in into our ClickUp account, and where it will take us into our workspace. Once we're in here, we can observe that we already have Matt's project and Marcus project, for example. And we have a couple of tasks. In Matt's project, we can just add a new task straight away. It's no problem. As you can see underneath this column of the tasks, we have a new task option. We just click on plus new task, and let's give a name to our task. So it's gonna be ClickUp tutorial, just like that. That's enough for now, and we can assign it to someone straight away, set up a date. There's not a problem. We can also move it into in progress window, so it's automatically gonna create a in progress option, just like that. So it's already in progress since I'm recording these videos. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.